Scott found us two little diversions to visit on our way back to Andor. The first was the Crypto Zoology Museum, which was very heavily into Sasquatch, fur-bearing trout. Turns out Patrick Stewart of Star Trek is the Kennewick Man. Lots of footprints of Sasquatch, so he must be real. The second diversion was a private car museum near Kennebunk that Scott found on the internet. Great car collection. Apparently the guy has over 220 cars. He had about, 30 or so on display. A bunch of rare Italian cars I had never heard of. Go check it out if you're in Kennebunk.